Hi guys,
Hi guys.
we are here in the mountains where the donkeys and monkeys is here. Look at guys, here. So
Here, one of the monkeys.
yeah, me and Remo, we go to the mountains. We will climb. This is the mountain you call guys, where the monkeys, but we cannot find monkeys over here. See, look at the house of the monkey. Look at the house of the monkeys, guys.
Dami kalitaan mo.
Oh, here. So at least 7 minutes this one. So we're just going to walk over here. Look.
Ang laki ng mga puno pala dito.
Time check, guys. It's 3:30 p.m. Philippine time. So it might be like 9:30 in the Middle East. So
Ilan tayo? We go down.
we go down here. Here, guys. So this is the jungle pala. Jungle pala to. Oh, look. Malalaglag na. Oh. See, may Daddy Remo here. See how what can see? Doggy! We are going to the jungle.
Ito mo malagyan ganda ng tubig.
Okay, guys.
Ate doon may bridge. Pwede ka pa bridge.
1 meter. Bridge. So this is the bridge. Lapit na dito. So pretty.
Malaki gagastusin mo dito.
Okay. 2 minutes. My daddy. This is my daddy. Tapos malaglag ang phone. Patay.
Marami pa dito.
Marami pa ba? Akala ko ito na lang. So, daddy,